In my last video, I bought every fruit and vegetable you can get at the grocery store in hopes I'd learn more about them, expand my palate, and stop embarrassing myself. Unfortunately, it wasn't a skit, it wasn't on purpose. I had a horrible experience. That was earlier today. It's now nighttime. I have cleaned the kitchen for a fresh slate. I mean, I've still got a ton of fruits and vegetables, but I fed off a lot of them to the chickens that I had already tasted in that video. And today, we're actually going to cook, okay? No weird raw tasting, no vomiting, just mushrooms. I've never been a big mushroom fan. I always kind of pick around them. I don't like the texture. The flavor's okay, and they kind of just scare me. But I do need some more variety in my life, so let's just go with the first recipe on how to cook mushrooms. The goal is to use up some ingredients and expand my palate just a little bit. And for reference, if I wasn't doing this, I was actually gonna go and get some gas station tacos, so. The goal is to not get gas station tacos today. Garlic, I don't have garlic. Lemon, oh, we have lemons. We have so many lemons. Where's the lemons at? Here's a lemon. What is that one? Why does it have a little nipple on it? And is that it? Wow, that's it apparently. All right, use a paper towel to brush off all the dirt. That seems like such a pain. Okay, we're starting at exactly 2 a.m. We'll see how long it takes. The first thing it reminds me of is herping, just because it smells like dirt. Like, when's my face most often in the dirt? When I would go herping. I don't think they're dirty. Oh, I mean, there's a little bit. I don't know, they seem fine. Boom. Okay, heat over medium heat. I don't know how much, but who cares? Olive oil, I think is actually pretty healthy, so I'm just totally guessing on amounts here. Look at how dirty this is, because I haven't cleaned it from the last time I cooked. Stir then cook, season to taste, at the same time seasoning. I don't know, I guess I'll add okay. So the oil's already, I'm so scared of oil. It hurts, man, when it like hits you. Oh God, it's bubbling. It's like it's popping. I don't like this. Oh God, look, you can see it like popping. I don't like it. Is it too hot? Oh. I'm gonna turn it down. Oh my. Oh, that's more than I thought was in this. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to spread them all out. I shouldn't be mixing them. I'm trying to spread them out, basically. Let me add a little more oil, maybe around the edge, so it like seeps under. 205, so we'll check on them in 3 minutes. Okay, and then, oh, that's the whole recipe, okay. Oh, I just used the lemon knife on the butter. Okay, I guess I don't do anything for a minute. I feel like I don't know. So while this cooks, I'm so interested. I was really looking forward to trying this. It says star. I don't know, maybe that means star fruit. I like the sound of it. I really like how it looks. So we're gonna cut it open and try it. All right, I hope it's good. Just simply because it looks cool. Whoa, look at that. Oh wait, should I have peeled it? It looks like, oh, it smells good. Okay, this is epic. Can I just pull these out? Oh, it slices. Please be good, please be good. Oh, wow, oh, ooh. It's really bitter. It's really bitter. Ooh. I wanna like this so badly. I think if I add some sugar to this, it might help with the bitter. Well, we gotta check on the mushrooms. I never thought those words would come out of my mouth. It's been 4 minutes. I guess. Oh, sh. I don't know how to tell when it's ready. I still haven't seasoned it. I feel like lemon wouldn't be that good in it. I just stepped on the mushroom. It's a lot of butter, but I like butter. And then lemon, I don't know, lemon on, whatever, we'll try it. Oh, okay. Okay, all right, okay. I guess I officially have to make a cooking playlist though for the channel. I guess I'll do like 1 more minute and Okay, I guess they're probably ready. I don't know how to get all the oils out. Maybe if I use this, a little spatula maybe. All right, so is that it? So I'll let that cool for a second, and now we can try the star fruit. It's so cool looking. I'm trying to force myself to like it. Literally just add some straight sugar and then like eat it with a spoon. Cause I think the flavor would be kind of good. Sprinkle. All right, come on, wish me luck. It's still not good. It's just not good. Man, I'm disappointed. If you've never had this, think of an orange. Instead of orange flavor, it's like lemon flavor, but you replace the sourness of the lemon with bitterness. Look at it, man. This is cool. I might try a few other things with that, but let's try this. It needs more salt, I think. Ooh. I'm eating it. That's a good sign. It's still a bit too hot. They're very squeaky. I mean, it just kind of tastes like what I put on it. Like it tastes like butter, salt, and pepper and lemon, because that's just what it is. I'm eating them. I'm eating them. I am consuming mushrooms, and not for psychedelic purposes. It doesn't feel edible. It's weird. This is not a kind of texture I thought I'd be able to eat, so kind of epic that I'm eating them. It looks gross. I'm putting this inside my body. That doesn't seem right. I'm eating them. The mushrooms seem very filling. I've eaten maybe a third of them and I'm already like, all right, I can stop eating now. I'm good. And these probably don't have that many calories. Oh, that was not good. How many calories in 8 ounces of mushrooms? I'm hoping what, a few hundred maybe? It's got a tablespoon of butter, some oil. I hope this isn't right. Really? Wait, is that it? 109 after the fat's added. Oh no. 30? Oh no, man. If I finish this plate, I'd be good to not eat for the rest of the day. But man, why is everything going wrong? Like, this isn't actually that bad, but 100 calories. Okay, is there any nutrition or like vitamins? There's a little, okay, there's potassium, no carbs, no sugar, there's no vitamins. What? Why do people eat mushrooms? They contain macronutrients, okay, that supports a healthy immune system, okay. Macronutrients, fat, protein, and carbs. Oh, well, I already get that stuff. According to the Mushroom Council, what's the Mushroom Council? Your immune system will benefit from psyllium, okay. This is epic. Essential component of various enzymes and proteins. That's good. That's a good thing. Flesh, ew. A mushroom or a toadstool is the fleshy, spore-bearing, fruity body of a fungus. I put that inside of me. I am eating mushrooms right now. And if that's not character development, then I don't know what is. It's a grapefruit. That's what we're eating. I should have known. Yeah, I love Izzy drinks, like sparkling juices, but the grapefruit one is so bad, I didn't even finish them. But all the other Izzy's are great. So that's really funny that I was eating a grapefruit without realizing it. I want to see what other people say it tastes like. It's a citrus hybrid of a pomelo and an orange. Okay. Sweet yet slightly herbal with woody musky tones. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. It's bad. Make grapefruit taste better. Salt. Ew. Okay. Apparently I should add salt. I can do that. I have salt. Ew, alright, I feel like I'm getting trolled right now. This is gonna be gross. Salty grapefruit going in. Okay, I definitely just got like the epic pranked. Why did I think that would make it taste better? Okay. Unfortunately, I'm actually drinking Izzy right now. I'm drinking the peach Izzy. I guess the rule of thumb is if you don't like the Izzy, you won't like the fruit. And I guess I just don't like pink grapefruit. And just like that, I've just about finished my plate of mushrooms. Only one problem, I'm completely full now. So I'm not craving Sheetz tacos, but Sheetz tacos has 500 calories per 3. I can eat 3 to 5, and I only ate just under 100 calories just now. Now, I know it's about balance, it's about variety. As you've seen, I've had some aversion to certain textures, probably because I've had such a minuscule variety in my diet. So, all right, I see your points here. I'm getting different nutrients, even though I get them from multivitamins. The mushrooms, okay, the mushrooms were $2.69, plus a little bit of butter, plus some electricity. So we'll say that it was $3, which you could get a McDonald's cheeseburger for. We're experimenting, and this is some progress. I purposely wanted to make a more chill, less edited video, because the last one was kind of a little more crazy. This one's more chill. I am just more tired. It's 2:30 a.m. and I've had a long day, all right? I've had some tummy troubles. But I wanted to be able to compare the analytics, see if people have a preference in style and videos, because I'm just trying different things, of course. Because for example, while the gig app videos are doing pretty well, they take a lot of time. It takes a whole day or a half day of recording, plus a lot of editing. Even just blurring out all the addresses and locations takes a long time, and so my return on investment isn't great for the gig app videos. But if these two videos, if you enjoy them and if they do well, I can keep working on, because this is a legitimate journey I need to go on, which is fixing my food problem. And if I could also make content relatively efficiently and you enjoy it, that'd be pretty epic. And the mushrooms, they weren't too bad.